Alright, so the first T2 Buckeye ramp start with all the checklist. So first off, we're going to check the warning lights. They all come on. Now we're going to check the fire lights by pushing the same switch forward. Fire lights come on. Now we're going to check the fuel low, so I'm going to push the button, the needle should run to 0 and the fuel light will come on. And that's good enough for me. Let off and it goes back. Alright, now we've done our test. Let's go ahead and get ready to start. So, oh yeah, battery, instrument power, number 1 cutoff valve, and let's press the starter switch. Hydraulic should start coming up in pressure as the engine spools over. Now on the left temperature, we'll start getting a reading when the engine begins its light off. Light off. Alright, so now number 2 fuel valve is open. Start engine number 2. We got number 2's hydraulic coming up. And once we get a temperature, the engine is lit off. Alright, almost there. There we go, engine is lit off. Alright, that's stabilized, hydraulic pressure is up. I'm going to go ahead and close the canopy. Alright, cool. So now I'm going to go ahead and reset the generators. Generators are off. Alright, so we got good volt power. Alright, I'm going to turn on the exterior master lights. See, there's a spike in the generator because we got lights going now. Alright, and let's do it. Let's go ahead and take off. So let's go to full power. Oh, before we do that, I'm going to turn on half flap. And we're going to go to full power. You'll see the engine temperatures rise. And we're rolling. Airspeed's coming up. 110. I'm going to pull back and rotate. I got a good positive rate of climb. I'm going to bring the gear up. And now I'm going to bring the flaps up. And a small other little detail, the hook transition light works. Although we don't need that now. Turns on when the hook's in motion.